Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing steak. Now people do their steaks differently, so just watch my way and tell me what you think. Here is the steak. It's the rib part that I'll be using. What I'm going to be doing is using vinegar to wash it. I'm also going to be using some lime juice. I'll be allowing the vinegar and the lime juice to soak on the steak before I rinse it off, say probably 3 minutes. After rinsing properly, I'll be getting my seasoning prepared. Here are the seasoning that I'll be using. Some garlic, onions, some scallion, pepper, ginger, and also thyme. And I'll be using some lime juice while the steak is being cooked. You can use whatever seasoning of your choice, whichever you prefer. So here I'm just using also some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Like I said, you can use whichever you prefer to do yours. Now I'm just going to flip it over and apply the same ingredients I did on the other side. Some salt, some pepper, and also some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You want to rub this in evenly onto the steak. From here, I'll be adding some oil before I put the steak in the pan, just to keep the moisture off the steak while it cooks. I'm adding it to both sides. Now, before you cook your steak, you need to have your steak at room temperature. Take it from the fridge and have it at room temperature. And you also want to ensure that the pan that you're using, it's really hot. It's extra hot, by the way. You need to keep the pot on the medium heat. If you can see that smoke is already coming from mine here. I'll be adding some, probably 1/3 of oil. I'll be adding 1/3 of oil. Also, the oil have to be well hot before you place your steak in to fry or to be cooked. Now, with all this already been done, I'll be adding the steak to the pot. You can leave this now for like 5 minutes, or you can check after 5 minutes if it's already turned golden brown before you turn it. Some people like their steak rare, medium rare, or medium. I like my steak well done. So before I flip this over, I have to ensure that the meat is cooked on that side properly. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a like. Also, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and stay connected to my channel. Here I'm adding some thyme and also some garlic. This will give the steak some flavor. I will be adding some ginger also. Here I have some carrots, some cauliflower, and also some broccoli. I'll be boiling these for like 2 minutes before I take it to the frying pot to be sauteed. Here I'm removing the vegetables from boiling, after which I'll have them drained before I add them to the frying pot to be sauteed. Here I'm adding some onions, also the broccoli, the cauliflower, and the carrots that I'm going to be using to saute. Here I'm adding some white wine on the steak.